We have received messages from World Health Organization. The first one we have is from Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Director General, WHO.
Hamdard Foundation President Sadia Rashid, distinguished guests, dear colleagues and friends. World Health Day this year is a cause for celebration and a call to action. More mothers and children are surviving today than ever before. Since 2000, maternal deaths have dropped by 40% and child deaths have halved. These gains are the result of research, investment and dedication from health workers, scientists, public officials, partners and civil society organizations, including many of you gathered in Karachi today. But still, every 7 seconds, a mother or baby dies a preventable death. Each one represents a life lost too soon and a system that failed to protect them. Too many families still face heartbreak due to lack of essential care at birth. That's why WHO, UNICEF and UNFPA launched the Every Woman, Every Newborn, Everywhere partnership and the Child Survival Action Initiative to support national and local health systems in stopping preventable deaths. Thank you all for your commitment to the health of children in Pakistan and around the world. I thank you.